How is it that a very few people control the masses? How is it that, what do they call it, the one percenters? How is it that they that they run this country? I don't understand. But yet I do understand. They run this country because we let them. They run this country and they're successful at it because we're divided. All of us. I don't care what nationality or race you are, we're divided. And that's how it works. It works because we're too busy trying to put food on the table. We're too busy trying to keep a roof over our head. We're too busy trying to put clothes on our back. It goes right back to food, clothing, and shelter. We're too busy trying to survive, trying to live, trying to make it. Most Americans don't have, there's a word I'm looking for. Most Americans don't have the luxury to really take time and band together. Most Americans don't have the luxury to sit down with one another and communicate and come up with a plan on how we can make this world or America a better place. Most of us ain't got time for that. And those that do, we too busy gossiping, backbiting, not being trustworthy, playing games. And this is one of the reasons why the system doesn't work in our favor. Because most of us, and I'm going to call it like it is full of shit. A lot of us bathe in this dysfunctional system. I'm always use the word narcissistic system because that's what it is. It's narcissistic. And this is why it works. There's only a very few people who run this world. And I'm going to call it like it is. And if I'm wrong, comment in the comment section. Explain why I'm wrong. From my research, there's a secret order, but obviously it's not a secret anymore. This whole world, and I hope and pray that I'm wrong, and it's not that simple, is ran by a secret society, the Illuminati. Hello. Yes, I read that stuff as I read everything. I read the Bible. I read the Quran. Um, I read on Buddha. I read it all. I research everything. And that's my opinion. If you guys have another opinion, feel free. Let's have a conversation. Like these wars, it's all predicted. What's funny is that 9/11, this is going to sound crazy, but a lot of y'all American people know they predicted the 9/11 way before it happened on The Simpsons, the cartoon. Um, I can go on and on. If you fold the $20 bill, I think it's one of those bills, or $5 bill, you fold it a certain way, you're going to see the Twin Towers and you're going to see it on fire. And I know there's going to be people on here that's going to be like, that's a coincidence. That's a far reach. You're trying to fit something that's not true. You're trying to fit something in something, trying to fit a circle in the peg hole. I'm sorry. What do they say? The attorneys say, if it walk like a duck, sound like a duck, it must be a duck. That's the way I look at things. Well, let's call it the way it is. You make money. Well, the powers that be, they make money off of wars. They cause confusion through wars. They can make me the enemy, right? Put your ass on the news, put me on the news and say, hey, Mike did this, Mike did that. Half the time, they don't even have to show proof. If they say you're the enemy, then you're the enemy. Hello. That's how powerful the news is. And then also, there's so much misunderstanding in the news, so much confusion. You know, one news network may say, let's just say, for instance, uh, Trump had the military obviously bomb Iran's um, nuclear system that was underground, or that's underground. Some say the B-2 bomber didn't even hit the right target. That's one news network. The other news network says it did. Well, shit, which one is it? Confusion. Confusion. And I believe it's by design. Trump says he's not going to start a war. He's not a war president, da 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 da. Come to find out, he did the total opposite. He said Kamala Harris is the war president. Confusion. And this isn't a mistake. This isn't an error. It's to confuse the American people and make us move a certain way in certain directions to get to a location, to get somewhere. This is a game. You control the people through confusion. We're sheep, led to the slaughter. Straight up. Machiavelli said we need to be strong as a lion, but wise as a fox. And Lord knows that's the government. I don't get it. We got money for wars. We got money to delete families and other nations. I'm not for nuclear war or every nation to have nuclear powers, but I get it. Who are we to tell another country you can't have it, but yet we can have it? Narcissistic system. That's a narcissist. A narcissist wants to control every damn thing. And most people obviously don't give a shit unless it happens to them. I'm just talking about this. Maybe you guys can educate me. This is some things I just don't understand. It's beyond my comprehension. But yet, I do understand. So, guys, give me your take. Give me your thought. Give me your opinion. Drop a comment in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share. This is Mike Chevalier. I'm going to always keep it simple and precise.